Mastering Cambridge AS and A-level math with ease. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to conquer seamlessly a tricky question, breaking it down step by step for easy understanding, from core concept to advanced problem solving strategies. We've got you covered. So join us today in this video so that you can elevate your math skills to a new height. Can you solve this easy A-level math question? The question says, solve the equation 8x raised to the power of 6 plus 215 x raised to the power of 3 minus 27 equals 0. You know, this looks exactly like a quadratic equation. It's just that the highest exponent of x isn't 2. In this case, it is 6. All right, so we're going to use the knowledge of factorization method of solving quadratic equation to solve this equation. So basically, advanced math is using the knowledge of what you have or what you know, to solve something a little deeper. That's it. So it's not hard, it's an easy question. So we're going to solve it together. Okay. Remember that if I'm to solve my quadratic equation, I'm going to multiply these two terms. Okay, so now I am going to look for two factors that when multiplied together, it will give me negative 216 x raised to the power of 6. I know I'm going to multiply x raised to the power of 3 and another x raised to the power of 3 to give me x raised to the power of 6. So I need to find two factors of 216 that will be added together to give me 215, but a positive 215. And you know that it's a negative 216 that I'm looking for the factors. So just one apart. So that means one is a factor of all numbers. So it will be 1. Please don't write the coefficient 1 because it's redundant. X cubed means just 1x cubed. So here I have 216. So 216 multiplied by 1 will give me 216. But it's a negative 216. So one of the factors must be negative. To determine which one is negative, you check the coefficient of x cubed. And the coefficient of x cubed is a positive number. So you have here to be positive. The bigger number is positive and the smaller one is negative. So these are the two factors of negative 216x cubed that will give you positive 215x cubed when you add them together. So you're going to take this middle number, middle term, throw it away and replace it with this 2. So let's go. So I am going to write that 8x raised to the power of 6 plus 216x cubed minus x cubed. This 2 gives me the middle term that I threw away. So I'm going to complete the equation by writing the constant and is equal to 0. Now, I'm going to group this into 2 and factorize. Here, 8 and 216 are both multiples of 8. So I'm going to factorize 8 out. X raised to the power of 6 and x raised to the power of 3 are multiples of each other. So the smallest one will be factorized out. Once I factorize 8 x raised to the power of 3 from 8x raised to the power of 6. I'm left with only 8x raised to the power of 3 plus 216 divided by 8 is 27. 27. I have factorized x cubed, there's nothing left. So no more x. I'm done factorizing my first two terms. Let me go to the next two. X cubed and 27, nothing is common. But remember that 1 is a factor of all numbers. Negative, negative. So I'm going to factorize negative 1 out.